One day, in a small village, there is a beautiful, cute girl named Viola. Viola lives with her cruel auntie and her niece. Her auntie's name is Yuli, and her niece's name is Veritha. So, Viola are living with these two girls. Viola's parents passed away when she was a child. One day, on Viola's birthday, Auntie Yuli came to approach Viola. Wake up, Viola! What time is it now? You should wake up. You should take bath. You should swipe up. You should clean all this house. And Viola just came approach to Auntie. I'm sorry, Auntie. I woke up late today because last night I was getting sick. I have fever and cold. I don't know if you permit me. Can I take some rest for today, please? Auntie Yuli just very more clear. The hell you are? Who are you? You are an orphan that live with me since long time. You should clean all the rooms from my house. If you don't want to clean all the rooms, get out. Feel like I'm crying. Sorry, Auntie, but my heart is not good. I feel cold. I don't even have breath to swipe. I don't even have breath to clean all the rooms. And Auntie Yuli just leave Viola to the city. Now, me and my daughter will go out to the villa. You are living here alone. There is no one who can accompany you here. Please clean all the rooms. You have to swipe. You have to wash all the clothes and wash all the plates. After that, you can sleep. Don't sleep and don't open the door. Don't let anybody comes to our house. Got it? Feel like this answer. Okay, Auntie, got it now. Okay, and in the morning, Viola is feeling sad. She stay home alone because her auntie and her niece are going outside, and they will be back by tomorrow night. Viola was crying. She want to look for friends, but there is no one who wants to be her friends. I'm so sad. God, why there is no one who wants to be my friends? Even my auntie also hates me. What did you know? Suddenly, the rains fall down to the world, and there is a beautiful princess comes down, approach Viola. Hi, beautiful cute girl. Why are you crying? The Viola was getting sour. Who are you? Don't touch me. Are you ghost? But the princess just tried to approach Viola. Don't be afraid. I am the princess of friend. I came from the sky to accompany you. Don't be sad. What is your name? Viola just answered. Hi, princess. My name is Viola. But are you really that you are not a ghost? No, I am a princess of the rains. I will come fall down when the rains comes. Don't worry, Viola. From now onwards, I will be accompanying you. Viola hugged the princess very tightly. Thank you so much, princess. Now I have a friend. God, thank you. Now I have a friend who will be accompanying me forever. And after that, Viola is not getting sad anymore. Viola live happily with the princess of friends. Okay, so that is the examples of